Hey, what's good? It's Ace Boogie checking in live on time for you, man. Yeah, the battery just came in from, I think China or whatever. Yep, this is the battery that came in from my computer. So now I gotta put this in here. Yeah, basically, with this particular situation, I gotta take this joint all the way apart. This is gonna be fun. Sheesh. I think I'm missing some screws too. Come on. Is it right there? I was thinking about this. All right, got all my screws out. Yeah, got all my little black screws out. So let's see how we can get this thing off. I hope this is easy. Maybe this gotta come off too. Oh, okay, gotcha. So the service tag pop. That's neat. That's neat how they cover the service tag like that. That is neat. So it looks like I may need a bigger screwdriver. I don't know if this. Oh yeah, this one works. And we're in. Nice. Gonna be your bottom there. And we got the bottom. This is and just for record, this is a Dell Precision M3800. Set you to the side here. All right. Jeez. All right, so what we're looking at here is a much bigger battery than the original one. This is the 61 watt hours. But I think if this connects right, then that's what this extra room is for. That's gonna be what that extra room is there for. Hold on. Yeah, okay. A lot of people don't know this. You can put your weed in there. Okay. We're gonna try to figure this out. That's gonna go there. Let's see if you notice. This one here, the original standard one it came with was the 61, I think WH means watt hours. And what I got here is a 91. So, I haven't watched any YouTube tutorials on this. So we're gonna wing it here. Okay. Yeah, this guy's really on there. Yeah, I hate it when it's like I remember back in the old days where you could just pop the thing out and you'd be good to go. I really do hope this works though. Yeah, this is the best computer I've ever had though. Yeah, I've been through a lot. I wonder what a hard drive is though. Definitely not a SATA. It's probably under all this rubbish. Okay. Probably while I'm in here, I probably should clean all this crap out of this. Then as you can see, my fan's dirty. Hasn't been cleaned in years. Actually, it's never been opened. So excuse the noise in the background. That's the filter to my turtle tank. Okay. I'm glad this joint came with tools though. There we go. Alright, you're out. Now I guess this was my bad battery here. Because my situation that I was having said it's not reading my battery. And it feels real flimsy. I don't know if that had anything to do with it. But yeah, it wasn't reading, so hopefully if I hook a heavier battery in here, it'll be good to go. As you can see, this is the new battery. Another thing that I just noticed that's kind of cool is that this is kind of the upgrade. So you got these holes on the outside that's actually made to connect either a small battery or a big battery. So this is the factory battery. Yeah, that's the factory battery. And as you can see, this one's bigger. So it's prepared for that upgrade. Alright, well, let's get it. I think I may need more screws though. Okay, first things first, let's get it connected first. Oh, come on, you're not gonna do that to me, is you? Okay, let's pull you out of something. Yeah, so we can get a good angle. This must be for something. Oh man, thank God for them tools they sent me though. Yeah, cause that would have been like, this would have took a whole lot longer. Okay. I said, what I'm gonna do is try to position this since I got so much room. I don't have really much room to play with. Okay. There we go. That size about. Okay. Let's do that. Alright, so I'm gonna secure the right side. Wait, hold on. I wanna make sure that this isn't popping up because I wanna make sure this side's not popping up because if it it's gonna be really hard to close the actual back to it. Let's see if I can do this without this joint getting in my way. Let's get this guy secured. We got it in place pretty good. So now all I pretty much have to do is just plug it in, and it'll last a whole lot longer than when it did. I don't, necessarily recommend the upgrade. Because it was good. It's just that the reason that I was replacing this is because the old battery was bad, and I didn't know which battery that it came with. So just for future reference, if you just know which actual battery that it actually comes with, because that could be a factor. Because once I'm done with taping this, I gotta. 1 second, need some concentration. Yeah. So once I'm done with taping this, I gotta test this because this battery here is probably not even charged. And if I'm not mistaken, this should be okay. So it's not lithium. Yeah, because I don't even think you're supposed to ship those. You're gonna get stuck at customs. Dang, it's the first project I've done without a without a YouTube video. Okay. Got 4 corners. Oh, just FYI, what the battery came with, it came with 2 digger tools. I don't know exactly what they're called, so. And somebody get at me, what are these for? They look kind of like guitar picks. Yeah, so I'm not really sure what those are for. It came with that, and came with this. I don't know what this is. I don't know. And of course, it came with your standard computer screwdriver. And so after I'm done with this, all this is going back in this fancy weed bag they sent me. Wait a minute. Oh, and it's got a flathead bit too. Nice. All right. All right, engine in. We're gonna remove these tools. All right, are you secure? Yep, you're secure. Not going nowhere. All right, now the fun part. Okay, all right. Matter of fact, before I put this back on, let me see something real quick. Let me see if this thing even has a charge on it. And before I actually put that guy back on, it'd probably be a good idea. Check and see if she has a charge. And she's good to go with no cable. Oh, okay. All right. With no cord. See if y'all can see this. Y'all can see that. It's already got half a battery on there. Yep. All right. So you're fixed. Now all it takes is just putting it back on. All right. Let's go ahead and shut you down. Nice. Okay. So, 91 watt hours. Sure lasted longer than my old one. It lasts a whole lot longer than my relationships. Shots fired at myself. Okay. Now I want to make sure that I'm doing this right. If I put it on backwards, I'm going to be mad as hell. Okay. Right. There's no way you can put it on backwards. I did not do that on purpose, just an FYI. Alright, got my trusty weed bag. Got the goods here. So, looks like I'm gonna have to run upstairs and grab some more. Oh, wait, no, these didn't come all the way out. So, I still have these initial screws that goes, to cover up the service tag. So these don't come out, which is good. And I'm glad because I sure would have lost them. There we go. Get in there. Oh, come on, man. How I usually do it, I go corner to corner. Yeah. Careful with these, because if you lose them 9 times out of 10, you won't get them back. I will say this: they're easier going in than coming out. Make sure I got one there, cause it must have been an accident or something. The reason why this part right here, the little piece came out, a little plastic piece that braces it to the body and the circuit board. And so now that has nothing to screw in. Make sure I got two up top here. Oh, I got none at the bottom. I need one in this corner. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Should have spread those out. In a few minutes, I gotta go over there and check on my turtle. I haven't given him a name yet, though. I think I wanted to start with a T. A friend of mine, the stage manager, she wanted to name. She named hers Ty the Turtle. So, you know, I got enough people in my family named Ty. My brother named Tyrone. My nephew's named Tyrone, and my dad's name's Tyrone. I want to call my turtle something else. Probably call him Lou, or Boogie Lou. Huh? Okay, let's take this out because this is crooked. There we go. Now you're straight up. Okay, let's double check. I don't have to put this back over again. Nice. Okay. Good. 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 Okay. Make sure they all went in. Make sure they came out. All right. Switch it to the side. Okay. Oh, here's that plastic piece I was telling you about. That was in the center. Yeah, that was something that was supposed to be connected. Maybe it was dropped or something like that. Because this was still on the inside. So this is where a screw should have went in. So I think on another project, what I'll do is probably do some cosmetic things and stuff to be able to get this. I'll probably get this crazy glue back on or something like that, or some type of utility thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the weed bag that they gave me. Yeah, along with my tools, because those will definitely come in handy later. Use guitar picks, whatever those are for. This key ring, I don't know. Maybe it was a. I don't know. Man, I'll do it. Happen. All right. There we are. No plug, no nothing.